Located in Sri Lanka, Sigiriya is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a true marvel of ancient engineering. Join me as we unravel the secrets of this fascinating place. Let's get started. Sigiriya dates back to the 5th century AD and was built by King Kashyapa I. It served as a fortified palace and later became a Buddhist monastery. The site is renowned for its remarkable architecture and stunning frescoes. Rising 200 meters above the surrounding landscape, Sigiriya offers breathtaking views and a glimpse into Sri Lanka's rich cultural heritage. As we approach Sigiriya, the first notable feature we encounter is the grand entrance through the lion's paw. Originally, a massive lion structure stood here, with the entrance leading through its mouth. Though only the paws remain today, it still evokes a sense of awe and wonder. Prepare yourself for an exhilarating climb. As we ascend the rock, we pass by the famous mirror wall. The polished surface of this wall once reflected the splendor of the frescoes, which we'll explore shortly. Take your time to admire the ancient graffiti and inscriptions left by visitors from centuries past. Now let's delve into the enchanting frescoes of Sigiriya. These beautifully preserved paintings depict celestial maidens known as the Sigiriya damsels. The vibrant colors and intricate details are a testament to the artistic skills of the ancient inhabitants. Unfortunately, only a few of the original frescoes remain today, adding to their mystique. Once we reach the top, we're greeted by the vast terrace of Sigiriya. From here, we can marvel at the expansive views of the surrounding landscape, including the lush gardens below. The symmetrical water gardens and intricate irrigation systems demonstrate the advanced engineering techniques employed by the ancient builders. At the pinnacle of Sigiriya, we find the remnants of the ancient rock fortress. Here, the king's palace once stood, with its intricate architecture and lavish decorations. Though time has taken its toll, the sheer scale and ingenuity of the fortress are awe-inspiring. And there you have it, the wonders of Sigiriya. This remarkable UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a captivating journey through history and showcases the remarkable achievements of ancient civilizations. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Sigiriya, and we encourage you to visit this extraordinary place if you ever have the chance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, take care.